What is going on, guys? It's Ernesto here with It's Sky Construction. So, last video, guys, we talked about basically everything that we've demoed, but at the moment, the electricians were doing some work. Now they're done, so now it's time for us to continue on what we have to do. And last time we didn't rip out the carpet because they had their tools and stuff around here, so we didn't want to, make too much of a mess. But the plan for today is we're going to rip out the carpet, and that way we can see how we're going to get the adhesive off, because this is those commercial carpets and they always stick them down with glue, so that's going to be a pain, but we're going to have to figure something out. This is not going to work. Let me see. Alright guys, we're about to do the impossible. Plan is, we have the carpet, we have a strap, and we have a truck. Guess what's next? Okay guys, so we put the straps, the carpet, to the truck, and that's an epic fail. So that's not gonna work. So we're gonna see if by any chance Home Depot will rent us some type of a machine to peel up this carpet. Because I don't know what to do.
Calling the Montrose Home Depot. This is called Baby Reporting. Tell me how I can help. You can say things like check product availability or what's my order status.
Rentals. Some sort of a machine to remove commercial grade carpet. So we went to the dumpster and planned ourselves a little toy. Just kidding, guys. So we went and rented this from Home Depot. So far, or tried it out, looks like it's gonna work out just great. Now, all we're doing is we're cutting some strips because, as you can see, the blade is only like 6 inches big, so it's not that big. And then we're just gonna go ahead and go down, 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 and hopefully we can finish it super fast. But it's even pulling off the glue, which is good. That's definitely what we want. So we'll probably, right here where we pulled it off, gonna have to hit it again with just the blade so that it takes off the glue as much as possible. Here we go. We are done with removing the carpet. So Art and I, we got a little carried away. We just thought we could pull it off with the truck and everything, all at once, but that was not a good idea. Did not work at all. But we went and rented this machine, guys, and we actually saw a video on YouTube, and the guy was just basically, he cut it in strips, and we went ahead and did it, and it came off pretty easy. We actually took us about an hour and a half to fully get it done. And I think, as you can see on that area, they didn't put enough adhesive, so that's a good thing. There's a little bit of adhesive here that maybe we need to get some adhesive remover or something, but it's not too bad. It's just this little area, guys. But other than that, pretty much ready to go for some flooring. So catch us on the next video, guys.